Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do head cleaning, which is like cleaning cycles, for an Epson Stylus SX425W. Now this is a great first step in troubleshooting print quality issues from your machine and can be done directly from the machine itself using the buttons and the little screen you can see here. So first of all we're going to go into setup, which we do by pressing this button here. Then on the screen we're going to go through the various maintenance options using the left and right arrow. So if we press right just the once, we'll get to head cleaning. Press start to go into there, and your machine will jump straight into it. Now what your printer's doing is pushing fresh ink through the printer's print head, hopefully dislodging anything that's dried in there and could be causing you print quality issues. Now this will take the machine just a minute. And when it's done, you'll be brought to this screen here, saying cleaning is complete. Now presumably you're going to want to check to see whether the clean has done its job, and thankfully we can do that just by selecting check, which is the start option. And what that will do is print a nozzle check pattern, like this one I've made earlier, which kind of breaks down the black, cyan, magenta and yellow your printer uses. And you'll be looking for kind of breaks in these horizontal and vertical lines that would indicate any kind of existing print quality. But you can just skip straight back into printing if you wanted. Take a look at that. But I find sheets like this are a more definitive way of showing if an issue has been resolved. But I hope you found this useful. If you have, let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know with a comment. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.